Hey, hello everyone. At this part, we're going to introduce the works after class. The network-related technology with a lot of details, knowledge points are relatively scattered, which has a high requirement for college memory. After-class tracking can help students review all knowledge in time, translate memory, and improve the training effect. After the instructor completes the training, timely refuting and summary is also a good way for continuous improvement. This course will introduce the importance of after-class tracking and some tools you can use after class. We hope that after finishing this part, you will be able to understand the importance of review after class and master the methods to help trainees review after class. So firstly, after we finish the training, the first thing we should do is to do the satisfaction survey. Training as a knowledge transfer service. In addition to evaluating the trainee's learning, it is also necessary to understand the trainee's evaluation of the service. The design of a satisfaction questionnaire is very important to obtain a comprehensive evaluation. And here, as you can see, we have two pictures. And this is a satisfaction survey form. In this form, you can see that the students should fill in their name and they should maybe evaluate how relevant and helpful do you think it was for your job. For example, if this question is used to ensure that the content of the training is suitable for the trainees or can satisfy the trainees' requirements. And the second, it provides reasonable arrangement. The next is the training material is logical and easy to understand. Obviously, this is an evaluation of the training materials. And the last point is about the trainers. And the trainees should give some feedback. For example, if the trainer is professional, or if the teaching technicals is good, or if the trainee is patient and responsible, right? And the last point is some additional commands of the training. For example, if they have some further training requirements, or if they have some suggestions about the trainer, about the material, or about any other parts of the training. Okay. And after finishing the satisfaction survey, next is the exam. Pay attention here. To ensure that the exam will not affect the result of the satisfaction survey, you should do the satisfaction survey first, and then is the exam. Okay. Exams are the most direct and effective way to verify the effectiveness of the training. The arrangement of the examinations is on the e-learning platform. Right. As you can see in this picture, this is the e-learning, and you should go to the management page, and at the management page you can see exam. Click the exam, you should click add, so add the exam to your trainees. About how to use this platform, actually here we have a guidance, the examination management operation guidance. And in this guidance, actually this is a user manual. You can check the detailed steps of how to deliver exam to your trainees. Okay, I think it's not difficult for you, and you can check this user manual by yourselves. It's just here. Just click this button, you can see it. Okay, and actually after the exam finishing, the training is over. But it's very important for us to help the trainees review the content. Let's see the reason. According to the law of human forgetting, only 25.4% of newly learned content remains in memory after 6 days if not reviewed in time. Therefore, it is particularly critical for students to review in time. And as a lecturer, we need to provide help for students review after the class. So let's see what we can do to help them. Firstly, if it's an online training, you can record it and provide it to the students at the end of the lecture. Since no matter you use Lark, no matter you use Zoom meeting, these platforms support recording. So it's very convenient for us to record the videos and share the videos with your trainees. And if they are interested, they can review the content by watching the videos. And if the lecture is offline, you can also videotape it and provide it to your students at the end of the lecture. But it's a little difficult. For example, you should have a camera and then you can record it. It's a little difficult compared with our online training. Or you can create class groups for students to communicate and answer questions after class. Right? For example, you can create a Twitter group. You can create maybe a WhatsApp group, or you can create maybe a WeChat group. Right? And then, if you have any questions, you can discuss in the group, or you can maybe just answer their questions in this group. And last is respond to students' questions after class. Normally, after class, if the students have questions, and they may ask in the group chat, or even they will send you an email. And once you receive these kind of questions, don't forget to answer them. Okay. And the last, convert the course wave to PDF if you want to share the slides, share the materials with your trainees. Okay. So this is about what we should do after class. Okay.